Elon Musk has once again raised alarms, but this time, his warning isn't about artificial intelligence, Mars colonies, or electric cars. It's about something far bigger, something cosmic. He claims that Betelgeuse, one of the largest and most recognizable stars in our night sky, is on the verge of exploding, within just 2 weeks. And even more shockingly, Musk warns that the effects of this explosion could reach Earth, particularly parts of New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey. It sounds impossible, yet people are listening. Because when Elon Musk speaks, the world pays attention. For years, scientists have monitored Betelgeuse, or as Musk dramatically refers to it, the ticking time bomb of Orion. But his sudden 2-week timeline has left astronomers, researchers, and ordinary citizens wondering, could this actually happen? Could we really be about to witness a cosmic explosion visible from Earth, in real time? Betelgeuse is not just any star. It's a red supergiant, a dying colossus more than 700 times larger than our Sun and shining roughly 100,000 times brighter. If you've ever looked up at the constellation Orion on a winter night, you've probably seen it, that faint reddish glow on the hunter's shoulder. Peaceful. Distant. Eternal. But that glow hides something unstable, something on the edge of collapse. For years, astronomers have noticed strange fluctuations in Betelgeuse's brightness, a mysterious dimming and re-brightening cycle unlike almost any other star. In late 2019, it began to fade dramatically, so much so that people could see it dimming with the naked eye. Some scientists thought it was dying. Others believed it was simply covered by a cloud of dust it had thrown off into space. Whatever the cause, that dimming marked the beginning of intense global speculation. Was Betelgeuse finally reaching the end? Then came Elon Musk's recent announcement, and everything changed. According to Musk, new data suggests Betelgeuse could explode within the next 2 weeks, turning one of the greatest cosmic mysteries into a countdown. And when it happens, Musk says, it won't just be a light show, it could be a global event. Some experts have joined the conversation, adding fuel to the fire. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku has long warned that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life cycle. But unlike Musk, Kaku doesn't predict a disaster for Earth. He believes the supernova, while spectacular, will be harmless, a cosmic performance to watch safely from afar. Still, Musk's version is darker. He suggests that the shockwave and radiation burst could travel across the vacuum of space, subtly but powerfully affecting our planet's atmosphere, satellites, and power systems. So, what happens when a star goes supernova? When a star like Betelgeuse exhausts the last of its fuel, it can no longer resist gravity's pull. Its core collapses in on itself, and the outer layers are violently expelled in an explosion that can briefly outshine an entire galaxy. For weeks, even months, the dying star blazes with a brilliance so intense it can be visible during the day. If Betelgeuse explodes, it could become as bright as the full moon, painting the night sky in shades of silver and red. But Musk warns that along with this spectacle could come something less beautiful, a surge of high-energy radiation. He claims that gamma rays and cosmic rays could reach Earth and interact with our atmosphere, potentially disrupting communications, electrical grids, and navigation systems. Imagine looking up at a sky brighter than you've ever seen, while, below, satellites flicker and signals fade. Now, to most scientists, this sounds far-fetched. Betelgeuse is 640 light-years away, which means that if it explodes today, the light from that explosion wouldn't reach us for centuries, or, if it already exploded long ago, we might only just now be seeing it. The distance alone makes any kind of lethal impact on Earth nearly impossible. Still, Musk's claim has people wondering, what if he knows something we don't? He's known for using advanced observational data through SpaceX's Starlink network and AI-assisted models that can analyze cosmic radiation patterns. Could he have access to early indicators, subtle changes in light or radiation signatures, that suggest Betelgeuse is truly entering its final moments? Let's step back. Why does this star matter so much? Betelgeuse is more than a glowing point in the night. It's a cosmic giant nearing the end of its life, and when it dies, it will scatter heavy elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the building blocks of life itself, into the galaxy. Every atom in our bodies once came from such explosions. In a sense, we are born from the ashes of ancient supernovas. That's what makes this so fascinating and frightening. We're talking about witnessing, in our lifetime, the very process that once gave birth to us. When Betelgeuse dimmed in 2019, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope detected massive plumes of gas erupting from its surface, an event called a surface mass ejection. That was the first time scientists had ever seen a star do something like that. It was as if the star was shedding its outer skin, a violent prelude to death. Since then, Betelgeuse has continued to pulse and shimmer unpredictably, its light curve showing irregular dips and surges. Most scientists believe it's still got thousands of years left. But others, like Musk, aren't so sure. If his 2-week timeline is right, here's what might happen. First, astronomers would detect rapid dimming followed by a sudden flash, a burst of energy unlike anything seen in our skies for centuries. The night sky would light up, brighter than the moon, visible even through clouds. People around the world would step outside, phones in hand, recording the heavens as day and night blend together. But then, perhaps hours or days later, our technology might begin to falter. Satellites could malfunction. GPS systems might lose calibration. High-frequency communication lines could distort under the influence of electromagnetic radiation. In Musk's view, regions on the east coast of the US might experience temporary power fluctuations, even blackouts. Now, to be clear, these are speculative risks, not confirmed science. But even if there's no danger, there's something awe-inspiring about the thought that we might soon watch a star die, live, across the sky. A supernova is not just destruction. It's rebirth. From the ashes of Betelgeuse could form new stars, new planets, perhaps even new forms of life, countless light years away, long after we're gone. As Musk said in a recent X post, if Betelgeuse explodes, it'll remind humanity that the universe doesn't ask for permission to amaze or terrify us. It just happens. So, could he be right? Could we be days away from seeing the sky ignite with a cosmic explosion? Or is this just another of Musk's dramatic visions, a mix of science, speculation, and showmanship? Whatever the truth, telescopes around the world are now trained on Betelgeuse, watching for even the faintest flicker of change. Every pulse, every shimmer, every shift in brightness could mean the difference between normal starlight and the first light of a supernova. And if that day comes, we'll all look up, united, silent, and small beneath the vast, burning canvas of the universe, witnessing something that hasn't happened in thousands of years. Because when a star dies, it doesn't vanish. It leaves behind light, and in that light, a story of creation itself. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.